Introducing Card Cues. Our new pre-printed business card holders turn your business card into a display ad with staying power. It's tough and messy to display more than one card on bulletin boards, and metal holders are expensive. Card Cues turns this into this. Professional, inexpensive, and eye-catching. Your advertising keeps working. Now you can take advantage of hundreds of local community bulletin boards. And Card Cues are great for open houses, trade shows, direct marketing parties, and more. Card Cues hold over 30 cards, pin easily to bulletin boards, or stand upright on a desk. Instead of being thrown in a drawer, business cards get used and customers reorder faster. Card Cues are universal. They fit both horizontal and vertical business cards, and the eye-catching designs get you noticed. Everything you need is in one easy-to-use kit. Best of all, the templates fold together in seconds, and they're ready to use right out of the box. Card Cues. We're changing the business of business cards.